I saw some camera lenses videos on YouTube with amazing macro shots, but it's expensive to buy, so I decided to make one myself. Since I got the old CCTV camera, I will remove the lens. So let's begin with the clamp. I am designing a simple clamp with a ring to hold the lens. So here we have printed this clamp. Removing the excess parts. Actually, I have printed on the previous prints, so they got sticked on it. I want the clamp in black to match the mobile color. I have already removed the lens from camera. Let's place it on the clamp. And that's all. Okay, hope you like this video and sure to subscribe. See you in the next video.